15 seconds until the candle closes. As you can see, we're dipping underneath this low. So if I get a break of the candle to the upside with this candle not closing below the blue lines, then I'll be in for buys. And just get ready to do that. Really beautiful wick rejection from the zone. The only thing that I dislike about this trade is how big my stop loss and take profit 1-to-1 ratio is going to be, because I have to.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, I got in a little bit early, but I thought I broke the candle. So I'm in for buys. Stop loss is going to go underneath one sell stop. One sell stop. And then my take profit will be. Just figure that out real quick. 757. So I assume this looks a little bit different. Yeah. So right about here will be my 1-to-1. Again, the only thing that I dislike about this trade is how much I'm asking for the market to move. Kind of unfortunate, but it's alright. Let's just see what happens. I'm a bit worried about the next few candles here. This could easily come down and take me out. I mean, we are giving very, very bearish signs. You got the EMAs above. Like if the price really wanted to, it definitely could come down. So yeah, 50 seconds until this 15-minute candle closes. What I'm kind of expecting to happen after this candle closes, I don't really expect it to just shoot up instantly. If it's gonna go that way, I feel that it's gonna play around, give us a pullback, maybe down to like here, I don't know, and then come up. But we'll see. We're gonna have to sit through that and be very sharp with my emotions, because if it does play around, it's definitely going to be testing and playing with my emotions, and I want to do something I shouldn't do. 15-minute candle opened. So far I'm up $70. It's looking good. So this is the scary part, right? Because two things are going to happen. It's either going to give us the pullback, like I said, and then continue back where I want it to go, or we're about to get wrecked and stop loss is going to get hit. So at this point, I'm getting ready to I'm not really getting ready to get out, but I'm definitely watching this price action heavily to figure out if I do want to get out early and if this is going to be a loss. So something I definitely do not want to see is this red candle closing to the downside in bullish or in bearish pressure. Especially, I don't want to see this red candle come beneath this green candle and close beneath the green candle. That wouldn't be good at all. I do want to see is for this red candle to come down, right? And then reject, and maybe it could close red. It doesn't have to go green, but just I don't want it to be a full red candle because that doesn't look good at all. For the people that think indicators are garbage and they don't pay attention to them, look at this 13 EMA right here. Look how price perfectly rejects off the 13 EMA, and look how it's been rejecting off the 13 EMA multiple times. You got one right here, I mean right here, like, and then if you do the opposite for the upside, you got this right here, rejection. 13 EMA will save your life, bro. Okay, so this isn't good at all. Look how this candle closed. Looks really, really bad. The possibilities of this trade now losing is very, very high, and I'm a bit worried now. But thankfully, we still have this 15-minute liquidity grab setup, right? And this candle has not closed. We still have 10 minutes until it closes, so it could reverse. It could reverse. Let's just see what happens, bro. I'm really not a fan of this price action right now, though, because now I have to play in hot water. I was kind of just hoping that it would win, and then it would be one and done. But now I really gotta lock in. This is kind of an example of one of those trades that follow the rules. It's a good setup. It's a good quality setup. But if it loses, you shouldn't be discouraged in your thought process on that setup, because I guess this is just one of the difficult things about trading, is you could take an A+ setup, you could follow your rules to a T, you could do everything that you're supposed to do, and you could still lose. And because you lose, now you sit there thinking that your bias or your analyzation on the markets was wrong, when really you're just not going to win every single trade. So you just got to understand that and build confidence within yourself. So this is one of those trades. If this loses, I'm not going to be like, oh, maybe it was just a setup. I think this setup was a good setup. And it was just one of those trades that unfortunately lost. So like I said, this next candle was going to speak a lot. Look how much it's moving. Look at the volume we're getting from this candle. Let's go to the 15-minute. Doesn't look pretty. How much am I down? Down $52 right now. And we're halfway to the stop loss. So yeah, I'm assuming I'm going to lose about $100 if this loses. Yeah, it's just not. This looks terrible. The only way for this to recover is if I get a stupid wick. Like if this just comes down here, wicks, but then shoots up right now. I don't know. This looks really bad. Probably gonna lose. This is a heavy bearish candle. I'm already down $90. Crazy. crazy volume. What did I say? The market's gonna make a decision this next candle. Destroyed me. Wow. That's insane. Unfortunate. Was that news? Wait. Whoa, hold on. It was news. Okay. So 7 a.m. just came out with some news. That's what that volume was from. Makes a lot of sense. That sucks. That's why you gotta pay attention. I was not prepared for that to be news at 7 o'clock. I did look, but I didn't think it was gonna be important news like that. I don't know why.
Stop field.
I just got wrecked. Let's go to Trade08. Oh, I got stopped out actually. Ooh, that's a big hit. Yeah, that was a really bad. That was $130 loss. That's insane. Crazy. Very unfortunate. And that right there is a prime example as to why you should not be trading news. Definitely need to be paying attention a lot more. That's wild. 130. I just literally got took right back down to what I deposited initially, to what I started with initially. So all those weeks of trading, they just went down the drain. It's crazy. It's alright though, that's the game. That's the game. That's what happens. Ain't nothing you can do about it. Very unfortunate. Should have paid attention. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna be done for the day. It's probably not ideal to be trading anymore. Plus the market looks pretty trash, so actually this supply setup does not look bad at all. This 5-minute supply right here looks pretty alright. If we get a tap into that, I'll probably take it for sells, but otherwise I'm done for the day.